to the gym right now. It's a beautiful weather outside and it's nice and sunny. So let's go to the gym, work out, sweat and enjoy. I'm done with my workout. I have my water here with my post-workout shake. Let's go home. Hey guys, look at this. Well, you didn't say hi to me. Look over here. See? Okay, so I'm seeing you guys like after 4 or 5 hours. It's 4:50.
I didn't even know that we are doing vlogs.
Oh yeah. It's 4:50 right now and I came back from the gym, took bath, had my lunch and then I had a little headache, so I was sleeping and woke up just now. Coming to the kitchen and seeing that this guy has been cooking here in the kitchen and he was making some snack.
I made some vermicelli.
One of my favorite things, vermicelli. So he made vermicelli and then he looks like he also went to Publix when I was sleeping. So he got
this is new. See, you can make like, these are very small, but these are nines, and you can make like this.
These
like
are naan
burger type.
Yeah, like a naan burger or
I don't know, hybrids.
Yeah, you can make sandwiches with 2 of these, so you can do like million of things, like a burger naan rounds. It's called naan rounds, and then
you can eat as a normal naan too.
Yeah. And then he got soda because I really wanted to drink lemon soda from so many days. What else did you get? I mean, it's always fun. I'm always excited when he goes alone to grocery shopping because then he always gets more things when he goes alone.
I restocked your ice flavors.
Oh, he got ice. He got so many ice. Let me show you.
I got orange mango. I got lemon lime. I got lemonade, and I got crisp apple. Like Happy Fizz, remember? So I got all these flavors, and then
look at the mangoes we have. Oh my god, here.
And then I got this heavy cream. We were gonna make mango custard, so I got some heavy cream for us. And then I got 2 boxes of Infinity chocolate vanilla double.
Vanilla double?
This is the dark chocolate Infinity. Remember? This is the one that we eat.
Yeah, the one.
It has that brown lining, remember?
Yes.
Double chocolate, basically. So I got 2 boxes of those.
Ooh, cool.
Here. Your snack.
The snack is ready. Let's go eat something.
You want to drink something? Happy Fizz. This is literally Happy Fizz.
This flavor of ice crisp apple is exactly like Happy Fizz.
Anna?
And right now the series that we are watching on TV is Madam Secretary, because we are done watching Orange is the New Black and everything that came out. So all that is done. Keep it that side. I can keep it here. But yeah, let's enjoy some TV and some snack. This is actually snack, and the size is also both the portion control is also like a snack. It's not very, it's not too much or something, so it's perfect. I can see mustard seed. Chana dal bhi hai?
Trade route?
Huh?
Land to Pacific. Water route to China that somebody died looking.
Support while continuing to seek out a peaceful resolution to this crisis. Boom! Want to grab lunch? You know when you say that, it's like you're saying you gotta keep it. Maybe it's good you gotta keep your patient. No.
हमारे यहाँ बाहर ऐसा वो नहीं लगा रहता।
मेरे देखो निप्पल वाली नहीं है। खाओगे तो मैं आ जाएगा।
You know, I remember your first summer.
We are making dinner. What's the time right now? It is 8:13 and we're gonna be having pasta with some Texas toast. So here's the Texas toast. We are making white sauce pasta. This Texas toast is from Walmart and this is like a 5 cheese, Asiago, mozzarella, cheddar, parmesan and provolone. So they are really good. So we're gonna bake them and make some pasta. For pasta we're doing onions.
Just onions.
Just onions and white sauce and fettuccine. Do you want me to wash this pan?
Oh yeah. वो निकाल लो तो इसे रख दो।
Marvel, you gotta move. So Marvel, you guys know that Marvel has a habit of sitting right next to the fridge, and I can never open the fridge that way. Here is the sun-dried tomato with olive oil and Italian herbs. We got this from, I don't know. Sam's, yeah.
That lady was making us taste.
Yeah. With cream cheese and spread it on a cracker. Oh my god, it was so good. So we're gonna add this to the pasta today.
So by the way guys, this is like the easiest form of pasta that we make because she doesn't like a lot of stuff in the pasta.
I mean, I do like sometimes mushroom and stuff, but today is a mood where I want very less
just
things.
cheesy, creamy pasta.
Yeah.
So here the water is gonna boil with salt and oil. Onions are chopped. I cut the onions like this. And it's very hard to tell what I'm trying to tell you, but
like
anyway,
slices.
Yeah,
and then separate
like
it
big, long, so that when I saute the onions, they become really nice and crisp and long and caramelized. So I'm gonna caramelize the onions on here while the pasta goes in there, and then we're just gonna add sauce and sun-dried tomatoes. Top it off with some chili flakes and serve by the side of 5 cheese Texas toast.
I have preheated the oven, so just
And that's it. So it's gonna take 12, I don't know what, this pasta, how much is the cooking time? 11 minutes? 6 minutes? 11?
This is 12 minutes.
Yeah. So this pasta, the one we got is, we didn't want to go too far. Otherwise next time I'm gonna get like from Doris, fresh made pasta. And they would take like 3 or 4 meals because they are fresh made. But since we just went and get this from Publix or Walmart, whatever, same thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this pasta takes 12 minutes. So I think 12 minutes it will go in there, and then I'm gonna start it up. This is the pasta that we are using, Barilla. And by the way, we both like our pasta to be al dente, so it's not too cooked. If you guys are Italian food lover, then do let us know what kind of pasta do you like. My onions are gonna be in there now. I'm gonna put pasta in.
To get my threading done.
Okay.
Will you go after 16th or on 16th?
We can go on 16th.
Yeah.
This is good, right? What do you think? Ta-da! Right? We are getting greedy. I'm sure we are getting greedy.
I always get confused how much to make for 2 people.
And we are getting greedy.
And that's it, I think.
Pinch of salt for onions to caramelize faster, and I think this is all the salt you would need. That's it, a little bit of salt, because the sauce is gonna have some salt, and then the tomatoes, the sun-dried tomatoes, are gonna have some.
Yeah. Did you put the timer on? Where? Which movie was that we were just watching?
We were not watching a movie. Her daughter, the baby.
Oh!
my colleague's daughter, she was babysitting my colleague's daughter, and she was here and she was saying, brain, timer on 5 seconds and 1 minute. And she's like 5 years old, so we were having fun with her.
It was so funny, and from the next day I started teaching him, hey, switch on the timer in your brain.
It was cute though.
Yeah, it was so funny and cute. Hey, give me the
fork.
Give me the. Oh, yeah.
Forgot.
Let us know in the comment section how many of you are like, love, enjoy pasta.
Yeah, that's what I just asked.
Oh, you did?
If you guys are Italian, love Italian food, then do let us know like what kind of pasta do you like.
And how do you make it? Do you have like a...
For some reason I like veggie pastas more than non-veg pastas.
Me too.
Chicken is fine.
Yeah. Me too, but I do like carbonara pasta, which has like bits of bacon and all that stuff. And
I like pasta salads as well. I think we both do. She loves pasta primavera.
Yeah, and I also love the pasta which has like how he makes it for me sometimes. White sauce pasta with grilled chicken on top, sliced up. That is how I like it. And I'm going to switch on the thing. And tomorrow, I'm super excited for tomorrow because tomorrow my package is coming from H-Mart, which is a Korean grocery store, and I'm going to show you guys everything that I get from tomorrow. So, super excited for that.
Italian seasoning in there because this sun-dried tomatoes already have Italian herbs, and they are like sun-dried and soaked in olive oil, like dipped in olive oil, so they don't get bad. And they have Italian herbs in them, so I don't have to go and add anything extra. And let me show you how beautiful this is looking. Look at that. Golden caramelized onions and sun-dried tomatoes. The heat is at low because I don't want to wait between the pasta is done and this is done.
You want to keep them inside here?
Everything is perfectly timed. Give it to me.
Pasta is all done. We just added it, and the Texas toast is also ready. Yeah, Texas toast is also done. Cancel. Woo, look at that.
Okay, so Tanya is the one who normally do the tasting. So today I'm gonna do it. So, and as usual, we are gonna watch the TV series that we are watching, Madam Secretary and pasta. It just came out perfectly.
Al dente.
It is al dente, and it is too good. Actually, we got this because we were craving to eat it a week ago.
Yeah.
But then we didn't eat it, and we finally made it, and it is so good. You're gonna love it. It's exactly how you like it. But anyway, so we're gonna eat, enjoy, and see you guys in a bit.